And now do something silly.
Welcome to Massey! Bienvenue à Massey!
Good morning and bonjour, Vincent Massey. This is Madame Lavoisier, your Massey proud principal speaking. Get ready, because it is going to be a fantastic day. We are a UNESCO school, and our school mission is learning to walk in a good way toward knowing, being, doing, and living together. Nino Himatisoin. How will you contribute and walk in a good way? I hope that you explore the school. There's so much to do here. Join a team or a club. Get involved. Start today in becoming the best you can be. How will you make your mark at Massey? We hope that you all enjoyed your day. You think today was great? Just wait until you see what's happening tomorrow.